Hey, what's going on, YouTube? And welcome back to Tech Conversations. Firstly, if you haven't already, make sure to check out LuxAlgo. LuxAlgo is an AI platform that lets you build and deploy your own trading indicators, powered by some legendary tools and used by over 15,000 traders, including myself. And I've covered many of their own premium indicators in the past on my channel. Go ahead and check out those videos. But right now, if you sign up to LuxAlgo by using my link in the description below, you can get up to 60% off their premium features. Keep in mind, you can also get 30 days risk-free, so why not try them out? So go ahead and check out LuxAlgo. I'll put a link to them in the description below. Also, make sure to check out the Discord, completely free to join. I'll put a link to it in the description below as well. We're at 10,000 members in here, so thank you to everyone that's joined our Discord. Now let's get right into today's video. So today, I have some really great news for Robinhood users that trade options. So Robinhood just unveiled a new options trading feature that is called the Options Analyzer. And so I want to show you where you can find this feature as well as how you can use it. And so if we take a look here, this was posted on Robinhood's Twitter. You can see this was posted on May 18th. That is the same day that I noticed this feature on the app as well. So full disclosure, I don't know if this is a new feature that is being rolled out or if it's already available for everyone right now. So just keep that in mind if you don't see this feature yet. Now, for today's video, I'm going to be using Microsoft, ticker symbol MSFT, to show you how this tool works. Since I am currently selling a put on Microsoft, and I also own the underlying stock. And you will see how this feature is very useful when you have multiple positions on the same stock. Now, this feature, as of right now, at least for me, is not available on the web app. So we do need to switch over to the Robinhood mobile app. So let's head on over to the Robinhood mobile app. So here we are on the Robinhood mobile app. And so the very first thing that I am going to do is I am going to go to the search section by clicking on the search icon at the bottom. And then at the very top where it says search stocks, I'm going to click on it and I'm going to search for Microsoft, ticker symbol MSFT. Now, of course, you would search for whatever stock it is that you want to use this new feature on. So I'm going to use it on Microsoft here today. So I'm going to click on Microsoft. And so if I scroll down here, like I mentioned earlier, I own some shares on Microsoft and I'm currently selling a put. So let's scroll down. So firstly, under upcoming activity, we see that we have a dividend pending. And by the way, this is another new Robinhood feature that was just released where we can receive the dividend earlier than usual. And I made a video covering this, so you can go ahead and check that out. But if we continue to scroll down, notice under position here, like I mentioned, we currently own some shares of Microsoft. So we currently own 16 shares of Microsoft. And then if we scroll down even more, we can see this options section that shows the current option that we're trading. So currently I am selling a put on Microsoft expiring May 29th. At the 405 strike price. Now notice at the end of this options section, we see a new section that was not there before. And so notice that it says view in options analyzer. So we need to go ahead and click on this section here. And it's going to open up something that looks like this right here. At the top, it's going to say Options Analyzer. Now, what is this Options Analyzer tool? So we can click on the info icon here, and it's going to show us some more information about this new tool. So Options Analyzer, frequently asked questions. So basically, this tool simulates the combined hypothetical returns for all positions that you have on a single security. So instead of having to analyze each different trade that you have on the same stock separately, by using this tool, you can visualize how all the different positions work together. So we can scroll down and you should read all of this here to get a better understanding of what's going on. I'm not going to read it all here, but again, you can go ahead and read through this. But let me show you how you would use this Options Analyzer tool. So I'm going to exit out of this, and it's going to take us back to the main Options Analyzer page here. And so notice that if I scroll down a little bit, right at the bottom, there are two different positions showing up for me for Microsoft stock. So the first position, like we mentioned, are the shares that I own of Microsoft. I currently own 16 shares, and it says that right there. It says Microsoft, and then underneath it says 16 shares. Below that, there's a different position. So we can see that I also am currently selling a put on Microsoft at the 405 strike price, and there's 5 days until expiration. And notice that to the left of both of these positions, there is a checkbox, and it's currently checked. And you can uncheck or check that. And so we'll get back to that here in a little bit, but I'm going to leave them both checked here. Now, if I go back all the way to the top here, notice that at the top left, we can see basically for the current time and the current price for Microsoft stock. If we combine both of these positions, we can see what my current P&L is. So here at the top, it says plus 374. So instead of me having to go check what my current P&L is for the shares I own, and then having to go check what my P&L is for the put that I sold, and then calculating my overall P&L for all these different positions on the same stock, I can view it directly from here. And of course, this will be even more helpful the more positions you have, right? If I was also maybe, buying a call on Microsoft, we would also see this here at the very bottom. And so we can mess around with this now. We can modify, for example, the date and time to see how our combined P&L changes. So here, right in the middle, there's kind of this slider you can move left and right. So this allows you to modify the date and the time to kind of see, right, as time goes by, what would my P&L look like? Again, for all my positions combined, not just for one position. And you can also see right here, kind of towards the top, there's the 4 different Greeks that we talk about all the time. So you can also see how those will change, again, with all the positions combined. Instead of having to see the Greeks for one position and the Greeks for a different position and trying to calculate the final Greeks, here we can see the 4 calculated Greeks for these positions combined. Now we can also mess around here with changes in the price of the stock. So in the actual chart here, I can slide this to the right and take a look at, let's say Microsoft goes up to 423.54. Now I can see what my hypothetical P&L would be with all my positions combined. Again, without having to calculate each position and then having to do all that calculation at the end, we can see it all from this one tool. We can also, go the other way and see if Microsoft drops to 409.91, what would my hypothetical P&L be for all my positions combined? So you can mess with the price, we can mess with the date and the time here. And so you can expand each section here, each position you have at the bottom as well, which allows you to trade directly from this screen. So if I click on the shares position, notice that it expands as well. And right from the screen, we can either buy more shares or we can sell more shares. And similarly, I can expand the put that I'm selling. And from the screen, we can see the specific Greeks for just the put that we're selling, the current price, the average credit. And then as you can see at the bottom, we can also roll the position from here. We can open another position or we can close a position here. And notice also at the top here, right, it says the price. This is for the tool that we're using, right? We're saying if the price of Microsoft goes to 409.91, it can show us our return there. So as you scroll down, that shows up. So that, if you're trying to look, you don't have to scroll back up and scroll down. You can see it here at the top here. And you can also expand there more as well. So there's a lot of great different things going on in this just one tool, this options analyzer tool. So there you guys have it. This is Robinhood's new options analyzer feature. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Check out the Discord, link to that in the description below. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think. I will see you guys next time.